To start using Smartproxy's extension on Firefox, head over to the Firefox Add-ons page. Find the right extension and hit Add to Firefox. Grant all the necessary permissions, and you're good to go. Once you're in, you can either log in and link the extension to your Smartproxy account, or quickly add a proxy manually. Adding a proxy manually is great for those who haven't created a Smartproxy account yet. To set up proxies manually, enter the proxy address or domain, then specify the port, choose the authentication method, and select your proxy protocol. You can save your proxy setup as a profile for later use. There's no limit to how many profiles you can create. A small star icon will take you to your profile list. Here, you can easily activate a saved profile and make edits. Just remember, to access this section, your proxies must be turned off. Now, let's see how to connect the extension to your Smartproxy account and make managing your proxies easier than ever. Click on Login and Login to Extension. After that, choose the proxy type you want to use. You can quickly pick from all the proxy types covered by your active plans. I'll go for residential. Now choose whether you want to authenticate your proxies using whitelisted IP or username password method. You'll notice that unlike with manual setup, you don't need to fill in your username and password by yourself. Just pick a user you want to connect with. Then, specify the location you wish to target. After that, select the session type, either rotating or sticky. Choose your preferred protocol type. Additionally, name your profile and save it for future use. Click Save. It's time to turn on the proxies. If you run into any issues during the process, press here to quickly start a chat with our 24/7 support. You can also find written setup instructions in our documentation. Click here to clear your cookies and cache or log out of your Smartproxy account. The button in the bottom left corner will take you to the Smartproxy dashboard. And now you're all set to manage your proxies easier than ever before. You'll find the link to the add-on as well as to our documentation in the video description.